Hey guys, Leia here from Unbox. So, are you looking for a new phone pero medyo hindi pasok sa budget yung latest flagship releases? If so, this video is for you because we'll be talking about our top 5 flagship alternatives. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Also, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So, let's start! We can't talk about flagship alternatives without bringing up the Poco Phone F1. Sobrang sikat nito because for only 16,990 pesos, you already get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which is one of the best processors that you can get today. The body is made out of plastic, so hindi siya glass or metal like some of the phones within its price range. But if you're all about performance, then the Poco Phone F1 is definitely worth considering. It should be available in the country soon. In fact, pre-orders have already started. So with all the hype, guys, baka maubusan kayo, you better check it out now. Next on the list is the Honor Play, which is another popular device right now because for only 15,990 pesos, you already get the Kirin 970 processor, which is the best that Huawei has to offer at this point. You're also getting features like GPU boost to help you game better, and it has an aluminum unibody build so you know that it's made well. Isa to sa mga pinakasulit na smartphones na available na, but if you're having a hard time choosing between the Poco Phone and the Honor Play, we're already working on the comparison and it should be up soon, kaya abangan niyo yun. The next phone on the list is another one by Honor, the Honor 10. It also runs on a Kirin 970 processor, but unlike the Honor Play, this one has a beautiful glass finish, and the most striking color is inspired by the Northern Lights, and they call it Aurora Blue. You're getting AI-infused dual rear cameras. One of them is a monochrome sensor, so if you like taking black and white pictures, then this phone may be worth considering. It's pricier than the Honor Play, but still not bad at 23,990 pesos. While we're at it, let's talk about another phone that runs on a Kirin 970 processor. Promise guys, last na to, the Huawei Nova 3. Out of all the phones I've mentioned so far, this one has the most number of cameras with quad shooters, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. In my opinion, it's also the prettiest one in the bunch in its twilight purple color variant, but that's just me. The Nova 3 is priced at 25,990 pesos. Back to a phone that runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, last on our list is the Asus Zenfone 5Z. It's the very first flagship alternative launched earlier this year during Mobile World Congress. Now, the pricing really surprised us because it was priced lower than the OnePlus 6, which was always known to be the flagship killer. Asus also pushed out an update for its cameras that's supposed to improve image quality, and we'll be testing that out real soon, so that's something else you guys should watch out for. The Asus Zenfone 5Z is priced at 27,990 pesos. And that's it for our top 5 flagship alternatives. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is Leia. Bye!